A woman may treat a man like trash, yet simultaneously, she tirelessly pursues another man. This is a common occurrence out there, and you might wonder why it happens. If your answer is money and appearance, you're sorely mistaken. Out there are many handsome men who are still single and struggling to find a partner. Meanwhile, there are also wealthy men who, in matters of romance, become nothing more than a walking ATM for women to exploit. The answer is quite simple. High-value men know how to ignore women. They can stir a woman's desire without even touching her. The fact is, women crave attention, and when you don't provide it, you immediately stand out from 90% of other men. However, you must truly understand how to do it. There's a psychological factor behind the proper way to ignore a woman, and at the end of this video, we'll learn it together. First, let's discuss why high-value men should ignore women. 1. Attention is not free. When a woman turns on her phone, she receives numerous notifications from men giving her attention for free. This inflates a woman's ego, but a high-value man won't give his attention freely. A high-value man might meet a woman, introduce himself to create a spark of connection, and then cease giving her attention. He merely enters her life without making her feel special, which confuses her. Why isn't she receiving the same treatment as from other men who have chased her? Why doesn't this man provide the same? Consequently, the woman will strive hard to gain attention from the high-value man because she cannot accept not receiving the same validation as usual. However, don't misunderstand, you don't have to play this game every day, let alone pretend while doing it. You must truly do it because you value your time. High-value men have many other things to do than merely feeding a woman's ego. 2. Busy with life goals. High-value men surely have significant goals they want to achieve. When you have ambitions, you won't have time to flirt with women. High-value men are always focused on creating a life worth being proud of, not merely sitting around waiting for luck. Struggle and ambition are attractive to women, something that 90% of other men lack, who are busy giving free attention every day. 3. Brave to be alone. High-value men are never afraid to be single because they know their life remains complete without a woman. This self-confidence is felt by women, and it's this confidence that makes high-value men attractive. Interestingly, when women start to become interested, high-value men remain indifferent because they only choose quality women. So when you start deciding to ignore women, the most important thing you should do is realize that you have high value. High-value men don't see women as superior beings above them. They remain relaxed when facing women, and this indifference actually makes them more attractive to women. 90% of men out there would be nervous when facing a beautiful woman because they lack the mindset of a high-value man. And logically, when you master many things, you won't easily be impressed by women. You'll be fully focused on yourself and your life goals. This is the best way to ignore women, which actually impresses them. That's all for this video.